The living rainforest. Got little Harriet out for a fun day. See the little monkeys.
I want to take that home.
Do you? He looks very cute, doesn't he? Do you like him? Hello, little monkey mate.
He looks like Bobby.
Hello, mate. Is he your friend? Yeah.
A lizard.
You see this little ducky? You see this little ducky? Oh, what's he doing? Unsurprisingly, I've wound up carrying her. First time I've used that buggy ever. I got it and it's been sat ever since. And I've ended up carrying her. What can we see? Oh, look up there, there's a birdie. You see that bird?
I want to take that one home.
You want to take everything home, don't you? Yeah? Do you like animals? Yeah. Georgina's favourite. But it's empty. There's only one cocoon in there. That's a shame.
Can't see anything.
There's no butterflies in there. Oh dear. Oh, what's in here, do you think? Turtles! Look at the turtles! Wow, can you see them? See those turtles? And there's one in the water. Do you like turtles?
Big one and the little one.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at those. They're good swimmers, aren't they? Can you swim? Yeah? Are you a very good swimmer? Can you go underwater? Really? Wow. Oh, what's over here?
One's got balancing on a log.
Oh, look at this
And a
guy.
baby one.
Yeah, it's a yellow-headed turtle. He's a different type of turtle to these ones over here, isn't he? These ones are different ones.
They look like they're snapping.
Yeah. Should we go and see what else we can find? Yeah? Are you having fun? Yeah. Can you see him? What's that? What's that?
I want to take that one home.
You want to take him home, do you? You like him? He's good looking. Oh, do you want to give him strokes? I don't think we can. I don't know what he is. Should we try and find out what he is? Okay. You ready to come up then? Holding on? Hiya! Okay. Can't see any signs to say what he is. What does it? Oh, okay. Azara's Agouti. Alright then, should we go see what else we can find? Yeah, okay. What else can we find? What have we got? Oh! Look, there's turtles up there as well. Can you see them?
They're tortoises.
Oh, they're tortoises.
I don't know what that big black thing is.
What is that big
He's
black
got
bird?
my dad's hair.
He has got your dad's hair, hasn't he? We'll get a close up in a minute. You see these turtles? There's one there, and look at this big one. Wow. He's a big one, isn't he? Do you want... Pardon?
I want to go on his back.
You want to go on his back? I don't think he's big enough for that. Have to find a bigger turtle first. Yeah? Okay. Look at this birdie though, look at his hair. He's got funny hair, hasn't he? Birdie! He's got funny hair.
Right, there's a big old spider there.
Oh, we like spiders.
Massive.
Come, put your feet on here. Look underneath here. Underneath this log. Can you see him? Can you see him? I've got you. Tarantula. You see just behind this log? Can you see the spider? Do you like him?
Yeah. him.
You want to take him home?
Hope he won't bite us.
I don't think he'll bite you.
He only eats birds.
Yeah. Look at that fish. He's so big, isn't he? Can you see this big fishy? Wow. He's really big, isn't he? Do you think he's bigger than you? I don't know. I think you might be bigger than him. He is big, isn't he? Wow. What else can we find? Oh, that's a big turtle. He's moving, isn't he?
Keep calling them turtles.
What is it, a tortoise? Oh, it's a tortoise. It's a big tortoise. Is he having a good look?
Oh, the one there by hiding.
Oh, yeah. Let's see if he likes Daddy's camp. Oh, he got a drip on his head.
Let's come and have a look.
He's coming to have a look. Oh gosh, I think they're coming for me. They're going for each other? Oh my god, is he going to bite him? His mouth was open and everything.
They fight a lot, tortoises.
Do they?
Yeah, we have that 25.
What? Wow, okay. Look, he's going to bite him. Oh, they're naughty, aren't they? Naughty tortoise.
When they don't bite each other.
They're biting each other. They were naughty. Oh, little birdies.
They got nice hair too.
Hello. Hello, little birdies. Oh, okay, well Daddy was about to try and stroke him, but having witnessed that, he's possibly not.
All around it. A chubby one.
Do you want to take them home? You can't, I'm
Take
sorry.
it all home, put it in the boot.
Go on then, should we come back up? Holding on? Oh,
Big tooth up on the branches.
oh okay. Can you see?
Moving.
Look up here, look at this bird up here. Scratching himself. Oh, he's got a very big beak, hasn't he?
Loads of big rat thing again.
Look at these birdies.
What's in there?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's a tortoise. It's a tortoise. And that bird, it's Georgina's dad. Alright, Pete. Hey, Pete. What are you doing, Pete? Pete. I'll send that to him later. What have we got in here? We got some bugs. Oh, can you see him on the log there? At the very side. And look, there are lots of them just here on the back one. You see them all? And all on this wall. There's lots of them. Wow. What's in this one? Scorpions. I can't see them. I think they're all sleeping. There's one there. Look, a scorpion.
Big one.
Sorry.
That's alright.
It's a big one, isn't it? Yeah. You see his big pincers and his big tail. Wow.
A big hissing cockroach.
Oh.
Loads in there.
Look at these cockroaches.
Apples.
They're not apples. Oh no, they are apples actually. Yeah, okay.
That's it, dinner.
Well spotted. Well spotted.
Right,
Bugs and beetles.
ooh, that's his skin.
Spider. Wow.
Seeds.
Seeds, yes,
Good girl.
they are.
Pretty.
Look at these pretty butterflies.
And take him out.
You can't take him out. We'll come back next time. Alright, so we're done here at the Living Rainforest now. We're going to head back. Harriet's had enough. We didn't actually see everything, but we're going to save it for another time because the great thing about this is the tickets that you buy actually valid for 12 months, so it's an annual pass, and it's less than £10. So I'd definitely get out here and bring your kids. I don't think we've got anything major on for the rest of the day. We're possibly going to head to the garden centre with Mum and feed the fish, so if we do that we'll check in with you there. If not, have fun. Alright, so we made it to Henry Street Garden Centre. The sun has come out, it is beaming day. George is falling asleep, I'm falling asleep, Harriet's falling asleep. Are you falling asleep?
No.
No, she's not falling asleep. We haven't got very long, so we're going to rush in, try and find some fish to feed, and then get ourselves back home.
Yeah,
We'll check in with you.
fish.
Yeah, we're going to feed the fish.
Yeah.
So we'll check in with you when we found the fish. So we're here, we found the fish, we found the
That one,
food.
Granny's. Let's see if they come. Wow, look at that one there. Look how big he
He's
is.
a big one, isn't he?
That's a big granddad one, isn't it?
Should we chuck a few and we'll see if we can get lots to come over here. Look at this big one coming. This big one's coming.
Big one.
Whoa!
It's big one. Get him on the bed. They're fighting now. Here they come.
Here they come. Quick, throw them some food. Throw them food. Oh, look at them all. Should I touch one? Should get some food for him to come touch them.
Oh, it's a big granddad one. Oh, it's another big granddad one.
Look, he's touching him. Oh my god, I'm touching him. You want to touch him? Go on then, touch him.
Let's bring him up again.
Touch him, touch him. You can reach him. No?
Granny touched him.
Oh, did you touch him? Oh!
No, Harriet's Dolly answering. Harriet's Dolly answering. Harriet's Dolly.
Should we go and start walking back to the car then? No! Why not? Well, there isn't anything else here. Home time now, we have to go see Mummy. Yeah, should we go see Mummy? Bye bye!
Bye, fish. Bye bye. Have your Dolly, your baby.
I don't take her home.
You got to take her home. Okay.
Okay, you ready? Let's go. Come on then. We're done feeding the fishes. We're almost out of time. Everyone run. Run, 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 run. All the way to the car. Ah!